And good evening. I'm Alicia Roberts with your hourly CBS 46 coronavirus update. Here's the latest at 10 o'clock. And we start with brand new numbers released this evening from the Georgia Department of Health. Tonight, there are more than 2,600 confirmed cases here in Georgia. That number doubling in just the last 4 days. 83 people have died. Tonight, nearly 700 people have been hospitalized from the virus. And right now across the country, there are more than 135,000 cases of coronavirus. That number continuing to go up. Also happening tonight, the state of New York hitting a grim milestone. The death toll from the outbreak climbed above 1,000 people. Most of those deaths happening in just a span of a few days. In response to the growing pandemic, President Trump is extending federal social distancing guidelines by 30 days. Now, previously, the president said he wanted the country to attempt to return to normal by Easter. That is April 12th. And so the guidelines will now be in place through at least the end of the month, extending it out more than several weeks at this point in time. Tonight, President Trump officially approved Georgia's disaster declaration, the move paving the way for federal funding and assistance during the pandemic. Now, right now, it's not clear how much federal money Georgia could end up getting. We will follow those numbers closely and keep you posted. Delta and American Airlines slashing more flights as the outbreak continues to cut business. American says it will reduce capacity in May between 70 or 80% compared to last year. Delta isn't giving specific numbers, but we know flight capacity there is down. It said it will also reduce flights to Europe, Asia, Canada, Mexico, as well as the Caribbean. Southwest and United Airlines have already announced similar moves. Meantime, the Atlanta-based CDC issuing a travel advisory for 3 states. Those 3 are the hardest hit states. In fact, it's urging residents of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut to skip non-essential domestic travel for at least 2 weeks. The advisory does not affect employees of critical industries like public health, finance, and food supplies. Meantime, starting tomorrow, Kroger pharmacies across the state will open at 8 a.m. Last week, the grocery chain began designated senior shopping hours from 7 to 8 a.m. The earlier pharmacy hours are meant to give those shoppers more time to pick up prescriptions without waiting in long lines. And again, stay up to the minute with the latest coronavirus headlines.